Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Today we are doing chapter number 3 fractions and its lesson number 5 which is on a page number 85. The topic is fraction of a set. So what we will do, let's see what fraction of the children are boys. Here you have a picture in which the boys and girls are standing on a bus stop. Can you identify what fractions of our children are boys? So you can count the total children are 12. There are 5 boys and 7 girls. So how you can write, you can separate them 5 boys and 7 girls. 5 out of 12 children are boys. So we can write in the form of a fraction 5 upon 12 of the children are boys. Similarly, what the 5 is showing you? 5 is showing you the number of boys and 12 is showing you the total number of children. If they are asking for the how many girls are there, so what you will write? 7 upon 12 because we have 7 girls. Okay, let's see the question number 2. How many total cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are red? 3. And how many are yellow? 4. So what they are asking? They are asking there are dash red cubes. How many? 3. And there are 4 yellow cubes. And there are 7 cubes altogether. If they want the answer in the form of a fraction, the how many cubes are in red, so what you will write? 3 upon 7. Similarly, if they are asking for how many yellow cubes are there, you will write 4 upon 7. Okay, let's see the question number 3 now. There are 15 cubes. Look at this. How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2/5 of the cubes are green. 2/5, 1, 2, 3, 5. Total they have a 5 groups. That's why they are saying that the 5 groups in which 2 are greens. So how many cubes are green? You have to identify the total number of green cubes. So how you can find? We divide 15 cubes into a 5 equal group first. Then one group contain 1 upon 5 of a 15. That means because 1 have 15, 1 upon 5 we have. So 2 out of 5 groups, the cubes are green. So you will write one group contain total 3 cubes. How I got out this one? Because I know that 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. That's why I can say that one group contain 3 cubes. 2 groups contain 6 cubes because one group contains 3. So how many 2 groups will contain? 6 cube. 2 times 3, 2 threes are 6. So you can write 2 upon 5 of 15 is 6. Similarly, we can find 2 upon 5 of 15 by using a model like this. Okay, you can write 1, 2, 2 groups and like 3. So in short, you will write that 1 unit stands for 3 cubes. So 5 units is equal to a 15 in the total. 1 unit will be 15 upon 5. You will get the 3. 15 you will divide 15 with the 5. You will get 3. And 2 units will be 2 times 3. You will get the 6. So you can say that 2 upon 5 of a 15 is 6. Clear? So you can say that 6 cubes are green. So let's see the next question. Priya had $360. She spent 8 upon 9 of her money on a watch. How much did the watch cost? Total amount is 9. So I'm making the total 9 column and 8 are shaded and the total amount is 36. What is the amount of 8 upon a 9 is? You have to identify. So you can use a circle, even you can use puzzles, or you can use the blocks to help you count. Okay, 9 units is equal to 36 and 1 unit will be 36 divided by 9. You will get $4. And how many, one piece is equal to 4, how many pieces are there? 8. So what you will do, 4 times 8, you will get 32. Clear? So you can say that the watch cost $32. Now let's see the next question. The question number 5 is, a basket contains some apples and oranges. 5.12 of the fruits are apples. There are 10 apples. How many apples and oranges are there altogether? How many total areas are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 fruits are there. And 10 apples, 5.2. They are saying that 5 are the apples, so they are shading it. There are 10 apples. And how many oranges are altogether? Because in this one they are already giving you the 5 shaded areas are the apple. So, and the next one they are saying the 10 apples totally total we have. So they are asking for the total amount of apples and orange. You have to identify. So 5 units is basically is equal to a 10. So 1 unit is equal to 2. So you can write 10 divided by 5, you get 2. So what's the total amount of a 12 unit? So simply multiply the 12 units with the 2, you will get the 24. And how many apples were there? 10. So you can count 10, and so you can say that there are 24 total apples and oranges all together. Okay. What is your home task? You have to do the practice question which is on page number 89, and don't forget to practice it. If you have any query, kindly note it down in your rough notebook or mark it on your book, then ask in the next class. Thank you class. Have a nice day.